I would like to know, how do you train mentally? How do you train your mind to be focused on that level?
You work mentally when you go on court every day and you don't complain when you play bad, when you have problems, when you have pains. You put the right attitude, the right face. You were not negative about all the issues that happened. If I am playing bad, if I have physical problems, you go on court every day with the passion to keep practicing. No, that's the mental work. No, that's something that I did during all my career. Not being frustrating when the things are not going well. Not being too negative.
Oh my fucking god. Fucking play! Oh!
There it is, man. Let it fly. It feels good, right?
Why are you trying? It's not even close. It's like not even close. Middle. No! What? Oh God! Don't! Yeah! No! Oh! Don't! What are you doing? Oh my God! Why would you go around the post? You're literally here. That's a good shot. Oh my! What the fuck, dude? You have it and you miss it. Dude, how are you fucking missing? Oh, I beat you like a fucking. Tell a good story, dude. A fucking force, another fucking. So messed up by the score change. That's what he does. Why? That's not a passing shot. It's a nothing. Did I make that? Was that close to? You guys see that one? Because I did it and then I landed here. I mean, fucking, are you kidding me?
Are you shitting me? What was that, dude? What was that?
What the fuck is that?
You are so bad at pickleball, Matt. Really bad at pickleball.
What am I doing, dude? Like, what am I doing? I'm not even trying to do that. What?
Yeah, that's just great. Okay, that's a good miss, Matty. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Next point. Historically bad. Oh my God! You know, it's just a matter of time until I break through this.
We're all rooting for you.
Oh my God! I mean, seriously, like that. Unbelievable. You can do no wrong right now. Nice 17 shots right there. Right here. I'm so pissed.
What are you doing?
Go! Oh my God!
Ah! Go! Go! Oh! What? Ah!
Ah! Oh my God!
Nice fucking bounce.
Mother.
Ah, you fucker!
God!
You fucker!
What an infuriating game, dude. I'm so sorry.
And that's why I was able to always have the chance to be back, you know. And here we are, important title, important moment, and now is the moment to keep going.
Goodness, Phoenix.
I mean, it's gonna go your way soon, man.